Hi viewers, welcome back to AVP Properties Hyderabad YouTube channel. Today you are watching 3 BHK flat, brand new flat at Anakramguda, project name Alekhya Plamwoods, gated community apartments near to Wipro Circle, Gachibowli. This is 1456 square feet, north facing flat, available on 7th floor, ready to move in. With single car parking, price of the apartment 1 crore 76 lakhs, inclusive all excluding registration. Whoever interested, please contact us for more details to schedule your site visit. This project spread across 3 acres, 3 towers, G plus 9 floors, 174 apartments, 7,000 square feet clubhouse, G plus 3 floors. It is very close to Wipro Circle Financial District IT Hub and close to all international schools, malls, hospitals, and your daily needs. And also, if you are watching first time AVP Properties Hyderabad YouTube channel, please subscribe our channel, like and click bell button. You will get notification best Hyderabad real estate updates. And also, if you want to purchase, if you want to sell your property in a gated community, high-rise gated community and villas, please let us know. We will help to sell your property. If you want to purchase, we will help to you. Thank you. Please subscribe.